In this explainer, follow the journey of blood through the heart, lungs, and body, step by step. We use blue for deoxygenated blood, red for oxygenated blood, and clear arrows to show direction. First, meet the heart. 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Valves guide one-way flow and major vessels connect heart, lungs, and body. Deoxygenated blood returns from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava into the right atrium. As the right atrium fills, the tricuspid valve opens, allowing blood to flow into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, pushing blood through the pulmonary valve and into the left and right pulmonary arteries on the way to the lungs. Valves prevent backflow, keeping blood moving in one direction. So far, body to right heart, then out to the lungs. Next, the lungs handle gas exchange. Here, blood will release carbon dioxide and pick up oxygen. Right heart receives deoxygenated blood and sends it to the lungs, where the exchange happens at microscopic air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are tiny air sacs surrounded by capillaries, creating a large surface for diffusion. Carbon dioxide diffuses into the air sacs while oxygen diffuses into the blood. Oxygen binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells, turning the blood oxygen-rich. This exchange is continuous across millions of alveoli. Oxygenated blood leaves the lungs through the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium. The mitral or bicuspid valve opens to allow flow into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts, sending oxygenated blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. From the aorta, arteries branch to supply every region of the body. Valves protect one-way movement and maintain efficient forward flow. Right heart sends blood to the lungs, left heart sends oxygenated blood to the body. Recap: pulmonary veins to left atrium, through the mitral valve to left ventricle, then out the aortic valve into the aorta. Now that oxygen-rich blood travels through systemic arteries, reaching tiny arterioles and an extensive capillary network at the tissues. In systemic capillaries, oxygen and nutrients move from blood to cells, while wastes enter the blood. As tissues use oxygen, carbon dioxide is collected, turning the blood deoxygenated again. Deoxygenated blood leaves capillaries through venules and merges into veins. These veins return blood to the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava. Back in the right atrium, the cycle is ready to repeat, from right atrium to right ventricle and out to the lungs again. Circulation is a closed loop, continuous and coordinated. We divide it into pulmonary and systemic circuits working together. 4 valves ensure one-way flow: tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic. Remember our color code: blue for deoxygenated, red for oxygenated. Oxygenated blood reaches all organs and tissues, then returns deoxygenated to restart the loop. This cycle repeats with every heartbeat. 1. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the superior and inferior vena cava. 2. It moves through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. 3. It is pumped through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries. 4. In the lungs, gas exchange loads oxygen and unloads carbon dioxide. 5. Oxygenated blood returns via pulmonary veins to the left atrium, then through the mitral valve to the left ventricle. 6. It leaves through the aorta, delivers oxygen to tissues, and the loop repeats.